is about Jesus as according to John chapter 9 from verse 13 to verse 39. The Pharisee them question the man with the blind. So then take the man with the blind carry go the Pharisee them. Now upon the Sabbath Jesus did take mud and make the man get to see. So the Pharisee them ask the man, how come him get fi can see? The man tell them say, him put mud pa me eye them and me go wash off my face and now me can see. Then some of the Pharisee them say, the man we do that sitting here no come from God, cause he no keep the Sabbath. But some other people ask, but how sinner man fi do them powerful miracle here? So all of them they agree with them one another. Them turn to the man with the blind one next time and ask him say, I fear you them he make get better. What you have to say about him? So the man said to them say, him a one prophet. The Jew leader them still name believe say the man did blind for true and could have seen now. So them send for him mother and father. A phone boy pitney this year. When you say born blind, they ask him mother and father. Then tell we how come him get fi can see now. We know say him a fi we pitney, the man mother and father say. And we know say him did born blind. But we don't know how come him get fi can see now. And we don't know who make him better. We don't ask him a big man, him will talk for himself. The man mother and father say so. True them did afraid of the Jew leader them. Because the leader them they don't make up their mind say anybody will believe and say that Jesus are the Christ would have get put out at the Jew them church. And that make him mother and father say him a big man who not ask him. So the Jew leader them call the man with the blind one more time. Talk the truth and shame the devil. Them say, we know say the man will make you get better as sinner man. But him say to them say, sinner or no sinner. Me no know him a which one of them. One thing me know say, and that me the blind and now me can see. Then them ask him say, how him do to you? How make you get fi can see? But the man answer them and say, me tell you already and you no listen. When me couldn't want hear one another time, I turn you want turn him follower them too. Then they start cuss him off and say, are you him follower? And Moses we follow. We know say God talk to Moses, but the man you talk about, we don't even know which part he come from. So, you're the man today. But what a piece of soap me. He make me can't see. But same time, we don't know which part he come from. We know say God no listen to people who are sinner. Him listen to them we respect him and do what him say. From the time the world make, nobody may hear about somebody we born blind and we get we can see after that. If the man your name come from God, him couldn't do one thing. When they hear that, them say to him say, you full up of sin from your born. Or who you think you be if you try to teach with nothing? And they kick him out of the Jew them church. Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.